Hey, my name's Joe Noya and I'm here to talk to you about inspiration. That's what the podcast is all about. That's what this is all about. I'm Joe Noya and here to get you motivated, take you action to where you want to be. That's what it's all about, yeah? So that's why you tuned in, because you want to achieve more than you're achieving now. So this is what it's about. This channel is about inspiring you into action to create the life that you absolutely want. And that's what I want for you. This is what my video is about. This is when I do these videos, this is what I want you to do. I want you to take action. So what is this all about? Being inspired, taking inspired action. So today it's all about just getting in the moment and just absolutely taking action. So it's all around creating the plan. We tend to overthink things. We tend to overplan things. We tend to overthink, make a big plan, make everything seem huge, absolutely insurmountable. Ever had that where you overplan and take things so to another level that you would love that life, but it just seems so massive and so unachievable that you just don't start? So the time and the place to take action is that you have to just start with something that makes you feel uncomfortable, something that makes you feel, oh, I'm not sure if I want to do that, but you know deep down inside that you have to go do it because you know that's the thing to do. So take this video, for instance. I'm in Ireland with do a video tonight because I'm not sure how it's going to come across to you guys, whether it's going to inspire you. I had all these thoughts in my head, but then I had to do it. So I've taken action. I'm just going to record. I don't edit this video. I just go with it to inspire you to make the plan, but don't just think about it, overthink about it, just do it. So I had a bit of an issue going on because someone challenged me to something over Instagram. So Mark Drake, I don't know if you know him, but if you go to @life@fanta on Instagram, you'll know who it is. He's good friends with Eben Carmichael, and we've connected, we've done some good things. And he challenged me. He said, hey man, he said, I want you to go dancing in the rain. We've done this because we do some challenges and he wanted to sort of challenge me around, when are you going to do this? And I said, I'm going to do it one day. We had a little live chat and I could do it one day. But it wasn't raining. Clearly in the UK where I am based, it wasn't raining. It was beautiful sunshine. But then the day came and I felt super uncomfortable. I said, I've got to do dancing in the rain to Pitbull's Dancing in the Rain. And so if you go to my Instagram page, you'll see the video. So if someone's editing this video, edit to me doing dad dancing. Literally, that's what it was. So before I was doing that video, I was thinking, man, I don't really want to do this. It's going to be so embarrassing. People are going to see the video, what they're going to say about the video. But I knew I had to do it because I knew, for me, if I have to do these things, then if I want to grow, if I want to inspire other people, I've got to do the thing. I've got to actually do it. So I did it. Went to TikTok, got the Pitbull music, played the Pitbull music, and I did the dad dancing. Go and see it. Edit. Cut the dad dancing right into this bit here. So you'll see the dad dancing. Anyway, I did the dance dancing and you won't believe it. That video got more likes and interest than a lot of the videos that I do like this. Crazy, I know, but that's it. But that's the whole point. I did it because, for me, I did that because I want to be proud of what I did, and that's why I did the video. And that's what I want for you guys. I want you to do the things that make you feel nervous, but you know, in the end, it's going to make you stronger. It's going to make you do things that are going to be uncomfortable, and it was. And now, some of the people that have watched it have said they've actually posted it to their group chats. Yeah, seriously. And my family thought I was going absolutely crazy when I did the video, but that's the point. A lot of people won't understand why you're doing it, but I do. I know that I've got to do it. I've got to be my truth and I've got to make sure I take action, and that's what this is about. So if you want to have that amazing life, I've got a 3-step process for you. So the first thing is you've got to walk your talk. There's no point me just talking about it. I've actually got to do it. So that's why I do it. That's why I did the video. I've actually got to walk the talk. And I did it. I absolutely did it. So that's the first thing. You've actually got to walk. So when it makes you nervous, you've got to walk the talk. Got to do the thing and make it happen. Show people the way so they can follow and say take their action towards what they want to do, and that's what I want for you. Excellent. Number 2, you got to just take the action, do it. Whatever it is. So for me, it was that video made super uncomfortable, total dad dancing. I spun round and went like this. Oh my god, it's so cringy, so daddy, so weird. And still, when I think about it, it makes me feel a little bit weird. But I'm more comfortable with it now. To be fair, I'm more comfortable. I'm okay with it. And that's the thing. You become comfortable with the uncomfortableness and you've got to go to another level. So I'm always looking to challenge myself. That's it. So number 3, be proud of yourself. Be proud of the effort. I'm proud that I did it. Yes, okay, it was embarrassing, but I'm proud that I did it. And that's the point. So I hope this has really helped. Just go out and do it. Live your life of your dreams. Be inspired. That's what this is about. Inspiration Nation podcast. Go catch it out. InspirationNation.org.uk. Please listen, subscribe, like. And if you're going to take action, if you're going to absolutely do this in your life, please comment below. Tell me what action you've taken. Would love to hear from you. Love to hear your stories and what inspired action you've taken. This is what this whole thing's about. This is why I do these videos. So go do it. And I'll catch you next time. Inspiration Nation. Catch you guys later.